Welcome to 11 Rossmore Street, Unit 2 in red-hot Somerville, Massachusetts. This stunning, newly constructed luxury townhouse condominium is part of a 3-unit association built in 2020. It's conveniently located in the desirable Union Square neighborhood of Somerville, with its many shops, restaurants, cafes, and bars, and the new Green Line Tea Stop opening up around December 2021. It's also just over a half-mile from Inman Square, 1 mile up from Sullivan Square with its Orange Line subway, as well as the new and exciting Assembly Square. This home feels like a single family and offers all that one would want within a large, luxurious living space, and it's quietly tucked back off the street. The open and bright kitchen and living area on the first floor is very impressive, with massive windows and soaring ceilings. The sleek gas fireplace in the living room features a floor-to-ceiling tiled chimney, with the dining area at the opposite end overlooking the private rear yard and patio. The long center island features stool seating, pendant lighting, and a built-in microwave oven. The second level consists of 2 spacious bedrooms, both with high ceilings and big windows, and a separate open study or office area with a large sliding glass door leading to a private balcony. The spacious master suite on the top level is stunning, and it offers a super high ceiling with a spectacular clear-story skylight, a large walk-in closet, a separate study or office area, as well as a sliding glass door leading to another private balcony. The tiled master bathroom features a skylight, a double bowl vanity, a wonderful soaking tub, and a separate walk-in shower with a sliding glass door. The spacious lower-level media room is ideal for large gatherings. It's tastefully finished and offers a handy wet bar. The beautiful grounds are well-maintained and sport a lovely private patio, a small yard, and lovely garden beds. With a Walker's Paradise score of 94 out of 100 from walkscore.com, almost all daily errands do not require a car. This new home is a magnificent retreat in the city. Simply move in and relax.